Hi guys, so it's now our day 5 here in Taiwan, and now we're going to Taipei 101. And Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Then let's see what we can do for today. Kasi tomorrow we're going back to the Philippines. So hindi na malamig ngayon dito sa Taiwan. Unlike nung first to third day namin. So nai-start nata yung summer nila. Until doon. So guys, we're here at the Typhoon, here mismo sa Taipei 101. Hindi namin sukat nakalain na sobrang haba ng pila pala dito, pinagpipila. And finally, nakapasok na kami after 2 hours. Okay, just say with yours. What can you say about the place? It's cold here. I like their robot. Yeah. Gen AI. It's a So, andito kami sa Shilin Market to try the very famous Hot Star Chicken. Dito daw yun sa Shilin Night Market. Hindi pa night, pero pinuntahan na namin. So ngayon pa lang nagbubukas yung mga store dito sa Shilin Night Market. Kasi nga night market siya. Pero it's already like 5 o'clock. May mga open na rin naman. Like, ayan. But, yeah.
King crab leg, first time eating king crab.
Sarap.